Okay guys, so this is unboxing and a review of M Audio BX8 studio monitors. They come at a good price and they are doing their job really good. The box is quite heavy, so be careful when you are handling it. They are quite well packaged and they arrived in very good condition. Reading the reviews online, I came to the conclusion that BX8 are better than BX5 in terms of sound quality, especially at the low end. As you can see in the shipping box, you will find another box which has the picture of the monitor and also the description and all the specs. Okay, so let's see what we will find in the box. As you can see, we have a cable with UK plug for mains, and it also has a protection. As I said, and as you can see, the monitor is very well packaged. This is the monitor. It looks heavy. Believe me, it is heavy. It comes in a plastic bag. In the box we can also find the manual. Nobody reads that, believe me, again. And that's about it, what we can find in the box. The speakers are black. The color is very nice. They look very good and the quality feels also very good. This is not a two-man job, but if you are doing it alone, then you will struggle a little bit. This is how it looks on the front. And also in the packaging we have this thing like a mouse pad, and you can put the monitor on it if you don't have foam pads already. On a side it has a glossy finish which allows you to slide the monitor on the table very easy. Again, this is the front of the monitor. It looks very nice, in my opinion, and the black color suits it very good. On the back we have the model printed and also the logo M Audio. On the back we can find a switch that allows you to use it in USA. That is where the mains plug is connected, the on and off switch, and above that we have the volume control, which feels very steady, the XLR input and the TRS input. This monitor also features a switch that allows you to go from flat to -2 dB or -4 dB depending on your acoustic space. Okay, now it's time to have a listen.